Welcome back to ArcGIS Online. In the previous session, we were talking about what is the benefit of ArcGIS Online in your daily basis research work. And this second session, we actually go into ArcGIS Online and sign in, and then create a map using ArcGIS Online. Then we are trying to create a two service based on ArcGIS Online map. The first one is App Studio to create a mobile application, and second one is Story Map to create the simple text map web pages. I hope those kind of application can help you to create your own visualization and an own application to share with your researchers or share with the public. Okay, so let's dive in. The first, sign in. To use ArcGIS Online, you need to have username and password. This is from CGIAR CSI. So we have a CGIAR CSI. This is Consortium for Spatial Information. So you need to be a member of CGIAR CSI. Then send the email to admin of the CSI, and then they will create this username and password. Fortunately, I'm the admin of the CGIAR CSI, so send the email directly to me, and I will create account for you. I highly recommend to create your own account. Okay, sign in. So normally you can see the home, gallery, map, scene, group, my content. This one's, ignore this one because I'm the admin, so I can see this one, but normally it's not showing into your menu. So first go to my content. My content has two sides. The first one is folders and then item. The folder is a way to organize your item. So you can create a new one and delete one, and then you can click this item and then move to another folder as well. So this can be done, can be used for your data management, the hierarchical structure. And let's create a map. So you can create new map using the base map. For example, I can just pick the dark gray one, and then you can add your layer through the add layer from the web, file, map node, or browse your existing layers, or you can use our organization layers. Let's try to use a file. So I already download OECD poverty rate. So this is based on the country name, so I can use location as a country name and then add a layer. See, there are spot there, and then based on the data, the ArcGIS Online provides several different options. So I can choose this one based on size. Okay, then I save it as Sunho test 2, test 4. Okay, tag, I say test and save it. So now you have your own map in ArcGIS Online. So this part, I will introduce two different services that provided by Esri in order to use your existing map. So you can do it exactly same thing very quickly. So first, let's go appstudio.arcgisonline, arcgis.com, and then you can sign in here. And then they already sign in my username, and go to my apps, and you can create the new apps. So you can click this one, and you can choose 3 different templates: map tour, map viewer, and quick report. So this is a map tour style, And this is a map viewer style. This is a quick report style. So I can choose the map tour. Then you can specify your theme thumbnail. So I just use what I have. Let's say I use this one as main thumbnail. I say test 5, and here is a test version. And then you can put the launching images, the app icon, and then import this one, and then choose map tour. So here you see there has a lot of different map, like a Suno test story, Suno map story, and test and Suno, story map example. And you can search some syntax as well, but let's say I can choose this one. Select, and you can add the map here, and then save. And you can edit app again or customize and publish it. You can do it to build app. So in this case, I want to check Android only. Then I can create APK file and then send to my Android phone and then use it. So if we create a build and they give us some messages saying that it's based on the queue, yeah, they start. It takes time. So story mapped arcgis.com. So same thing, they recognize my user ID, and then it goes to my stories, and then you can create your own stories. It's very similar to App Store. They provide some template, so you can choose whatever you have template here, and then based on template you can add tab. Let's say side accordion, let's say this one, and then title Suno test, and then tab title, the first tab, and map, select map. I can say this one I created before, add. See, this map which I created is started here, and say here is poverty rate by OECD countries. So you can add more things and then save. When you save the story, and then you can publish it to public, then you can have the socialized URL and the embedded website. So you can directly go to there, and then you can share that link with your researchers. Researcher directly go there and see, and then or if it's, he or she can zoom in and zoom out and then see actual data there. So it's very useful to share your amazing data with your researchers or your colleague or collaborators, or open to public. So let's summarize up what we cover in this topic today. We went to ArcGIS Online, created our own map. Based on that map, we created two different services, App Studio and Story Maps. If you have any question, feel free to contact me, sunho.kim@cgir.org. Thank you so much. Bye.